Fine, now let me go with the problem number 9 here. Simplify, right? It is a simplification problem. Simplify 6 3 by 10 minus 2 3 by 4 minus 1 2 by 5. Right, this is they have given in terms of mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper. 63 by 10. Right, this you know how to do it. This you need to multiply, and here to here you need to add it. Now minus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 minus 5 1s are 5 plus 2, correct, 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 5. Now the LCM for 10 4 5, 10 4 5. Let me go with the 5, 5 2s are 4, I can't divide, 5 1s are. Now let me go with the 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 1. Further division is not possible. Let us check out with the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 5 into 2 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 is the LCM. Right, let me go with this 20. Now divide 20 by 10, that is 2, 2 into 63, it is 63 into 2 minus 5, 4, 5s are, that is 5 into 11 minus 5 4s are, 4 into 7. Now 63 2s are 61, 26, right, minus 11 5s are 55 minus 28, that divided by 20. Now add these two, right, and then subtract it. So minus, that is 55 plus 28, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8, 83, right. 126 minus 83, that divided by 20. Right, let us check out now. 126 minus 83, 6 minus 3 is 3, 12 minus 8 is 4. This will become 43 by 20. This is what your answer. You can keep it in terms of mixed fraction also. That is how you can do that. 43 that divided by 20. 22 is 43 remainder. So that you know how to place it. That is Q R D. Quotient is how much? 2. This is quotient, right? This is remainder and this is divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 3, that divided by 20. So 2 3 by 20 is the answer. Answer here is 2 3 by